Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung unveiled the new upcoming Galaxy A07 5G budget smartphone. With impressive new features and advanced characteristics, Samsung is expanding its affordable A-series lineup with a new 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A07 5G. Reveal phone specifications, release date and prices. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung unveiled its new budget smartphone, the Galaxy A07 5G. The model will be one of the company's most affordable 5G devices in 2026. The new Galaxy A07 5G retains its predecessor's design, a water drop notch, plastic body, and noticeable bezels. The main upgrade is a 6.7-inch PLS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness, making the smartphone stand out among budget models. The smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. Configurations include 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable via microSD card. The new Galaxy A07 5G runs on Android 16 operating system, and Samsung plans to provide it with 6 major OS updates, which is a record for the budget segment. One of the smartphone's key advantages will be its larger 6000 mAh battery. The camera is dual, with an updated module, and a 50-megapixel main sensor, and an 8-megapixel front selfie camera. Other notable features include USB-C support, dual-band Wi-Fi, 5G Sub-6, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and IP54 dust and water resistance. The smartphone runs Android 16. The manufacturer promises 6 years of software updates. The device measures 167.4 by 77.4 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 199 grams. Buyers are offered in 2 colors, light violet and black. The Galaxy A07 5G with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage will be priced at $175, and Galaxy A07 5G with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of memory will be priced at $190. The official launch of the new Galaxy A07 5G is scheduled for January 2026, ahead of the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 variants. Currently, only available in Thailand and Myanmar, further demonstrating the company's strong interest in the Southeast Asian markets. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.